everyone, welcome to our first video about the series of articles we kicked off last week about Azure Databricks. During our different articles, we will work through the key concept of Azure Databricks. And today, we are going to show you what's the architecture behind the workspace you see, and how it works, and what happened under the hood. So first, let's go to the Azure portal and create a new Azure Databricks. So you choose your workspace, the name of your workspace, your location, and your pricing tier. So you have standard, premium, and trial. We will talk about this one in another article. So let's go after in network. So you can choose to just choose as a basic standard launch of Azure Databricks, or you can deploy Databricks in your own VNet. So you choose the VNet you want, and then the public subnet and the private subname. On the other interface here, you cannot choose your own network security group, but it's possible over Azure ARM. But we will go deeper on that part in a further article and give you all the code by Terraform or ARM to deploy your network and your Azure Databricks workspace. So let's check Snow for this time, the tags, and review and create, and you can create it. So for the further of this video, I already create one here with the exact same properties. So you are here under your Azure Databricks resource. You can find here the different information you launch. And over here, you can see a manage resource group. So if you click on it, it will bring you to another resource group under your own subscription, and it's directly linked to the other resource group. So everything here is locked, so you can't destroy the resource group, except if you destroy the workspace. Well, when you will destroy the workspace, it will automatically destroy this one. So here you can find a storage account with your DBFS solution directly mounted to Databricks, your network security group, and your virtual network. Over your virtual network, you will find here the two subnets, the first one for the public and the second one for the private, linked to your security group. And because it's automatically built by Databricks, there is no the delegate to. But if you choose you bring your own VNet, you have to delegate to Azure Databricks, the subnet. So now let's go to our workspace. Let's launch our first cluster and see what happened on our managed resource group. So we are now on the Databricks workspace, and let's see our cluster. So I already launched one, and as you can see, its state is up. It's a very small one with 2 max worker and enable auto-scaling. So now let's go back to our Azure portal, and let's see what's happened on our managed resource group. So here we can see we have now 2 virtual machines. So one is for the head node, and the other is for one worker, because as I choose auto-scaling and nothing happened here, nothing is launched over the notebook, so it's just one worker. And you can see for each worker you have 2 disks, the public here and the private network interface, and one public IP. So every time you are going to launch one cluster, is going to create the amount of virtual machine in need for his node. Okay, so now you understand better how it works behind, and I hope it was useful for you. And let's talk to something else for our next webinar series. Bye, have a great day. Okay.